Hello everyone, my name is Lars Gabriel F. Mata and today I will be doing a house tour. So we transferred into this house in 2022, so this year marks our third year, so follow me. This is our plants. This is a very big plant and we have vines here. Yeah, and then these are our birds. They're cockatiels and they have perches and toys here, and this is their food bowl, water bowl, and thingamajig. And this is where our hosts are, the garden equipment here, and lights only bike. She's been using since last year. This is the sala. We have a big couch here, and then a small couch here. And this is our TV, and we used to play PS5 here, but the PS5 is now upstairs. And this is the fish tank, Daddy's favorite part, because he likes fishes, so we take care of fishes now. We have many fishes here. We have pink fish, blue fish, green fish, orange fish, fish. And the thing is, you only need to feed the fishes and clean them and make the water move. So we have automatic feeder here. It has a timer, so it just feeds at a certain time. And we have a filter which makes the water move so mosquitoes can't lay their eggs here. This is the dining area. This is where our visitors eat. And this is where we also sometimes eat. And this is Lalite and Mami. So this is our ginormous table where we have music stuff, and this is where we do our music stuff here. We have piano here. I like to play piano, so you do Mozart here. And we also have mics here, things here that DJs only understand, and we have a violin here, so you can do that on it. And this is where our hamster Graham lives, but he's not here because he's actually here. He's sunbathing, so he's taking a bath, but he's actually playing right now. This is the counter this is where we normally eat at night and in the mornings, and this is some leftover food and where the fruits go. This is shoe rack and water dispenser. We're very technology. And this is the sink where we wash the plates and we wash our hands sometimes. This is the pantry. We have chocolate, foods here, lots of stuff here, milk, powder. And we steal food from there because when we're hungry. And we also have more chocolates here and gummies stuff, but I don't really like here because it's so cold. And this is our CR. We have a bathtub here with a shower head. We have a rubber ducky here. It's my favorite part. It's my favorite. This is the toilet, and then this is this is where you actually wash your hands. So that's all. Thank you. That's all for the first floor. Thank you. Bye-bye.